Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. Today our chapter is linear inequations. In this chapter, objectives are related to this chapter. First one is introduction of linear inequation, representation of solution of different numbers on the number line when one inequality sign is given to you and when two inequality signs are given. So today we are going to discuss introduction and examples when one inequality sign is given to you. So according to introduction, first of all, what is linear inequalities? So according to this, linear inequalities are here four signs related to this. First is less than equals to, greater and greater than equals to. So definition is two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by symbol less than, greater than, less than equals to and greater than equals to form an inequality. For example, 7 is less than 11, 5 whole 1 upon 2 is greater than minus 3, x plus 5 is less than equals to 7 and 3y plus 2 greater than equals to 11. So first two examples are of numerical inequalities because only numbers are there, and next two examples are of literal inequalities because here variables are there. So in literal inequalities there are two types are given here. First one is linear inequalities and second one is quadratic inequalities. So in our chapter we are going to explain linear inequalities. So first of all, rules for solving inequalities. So first of all, for addition, subtraction and shifting terms on other side, rules are same as in equation. According to this rule, suppose x plus 2 greater than equals to 3 is given. Here after shifting, this plus 2 is changed into here minus 2. So after solving, x is greater than equals to 1, and suppose if example is x minus 2 is greater than 3, then after shifting now minus 2 will change into plus 2. And after solving, answer is x is greater than 5. So these are the example related to the first rule. Now our second rule is when we divide or multiply the inequality with negative terms, then sign of inequality change. So according to this rule, example is, if suppose x is greater than y, so multiply by minus 2. Here when we are going to multiply with negative number, our inequality sign is going to be changed. So here in quotient greater than sign is given to you, now it changes into less than. Similarly in case of divide also, if we are going to divide with negative number, then again inequality sign changes its direction. So according to the second rule, this is the example. Now third rule is when we take reciprocal in inequalities, then also sign of inequality change. So according to this, suppose here x is less than y is given to you. After taking reciprocal here, x changes into 1 upon x and y 1 upon y. So in this case also inequality sign will change its direction. So in the question less than sign is given to you. Now this will change into greater than. So according to this, here these two rules only for basics, and some true falses questions will come in exams. So we are going to use these rules directly in that type of questions. Now in previous class you have already done numbers, that are, you have done whole numbers, natural numbers and integers also. So first of all, whole numbers are always denoted by W, and whole numbers started from 0 till so on, and natural numbers are denoted by N, and natural numbers start from 1 till infinity, till so on. So, and integers are denoted by I or Z. So in integers all positive numbers, then 0 and all negative numbers are come in integers. So according to this, we are going to recapitulate with the help of these examples. So suppose first example is x is greater than 3. So according to this, solution set is greater than 3, first number is 4, then 5, then so on. So on number line always, in case of whole number only dots will come. So on 4, 5 and 6 also, and so on will come here on number line. So this is the number line according to whole number. And if x is less than 3, in that case less than 3 number only 2, 1 and 0, because whole number starts from 0. So till 0 we are going to write in the solution set. So according to number line again, dots on 0, 1 and 2. So according to this, if here equality sign is also given to you in the question, if equality sign is given to you, it means 3 will also come in the solution set and on number line also. So according to this, here when equality will given to you, then equals to also will come. Now similarly in case of natural numbers also, here if x is greater than 3, it means greater than 3 numbers are 4, 5, 6 and so on. So according to this also number line is same, dot on 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So if here equality sign is also given to you, then here 3 will also come and dot on 3 also. Now one more example, if suppose x is less than 3, so in that case only 1 and 2 will come, because natural numbers are start from 1. So solution set is 1 and 2. So according to this, dots on 1 and 2 only. So this is the second example of natural numbers. Here also if equality sign is given to you, so 3 will also come and dot on 3 also. Now next type is integers. So in integers all positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 will come. So here if suppose example is x is greater than 3, So here solution set is 4, 5 and so on. So same number line on 4, 5, 6 dot will come till so on. So if here equality sign is also given to you, then here 3 will also come and dot on 3 also. And if x is less than 3 is given to you, then your solution set is 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and so on, because negative numbers will also come. So according to this, dot on 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 till so on here. So these are the examples of integers. Now according to this, now we are going to discuss some more examples when x is negative, because in this chapter we are going to follow only one rule: the variable should be always positive. But if with variable negative sign is there, then how to solve the quotients? Now according to this, if suppose quotient is minus x is less than equals to minus 5. So our step is variable is always positive. So here to shift this value to the other side. So from here, after shifting, minus x changes into plus x and minus 5 changes into plus 5. So from here, x is greater than equals to 5. This is our answer. So variable is always positive. Now look at the second example. Here minus x is less than 5. So here also variable is with negative sign. So again we are going to shift here. If after shifting, minus x changes into plus x and after shifting 5 changes into minus 5. So our answer is x is greater than minus 5. This is our answer. And suppose if quotient is x is less than minus 5. So here no change is there because our variable is always positive, and in this quotient variable is already with plus sign. Now according to this, if two inequality signs are given to you, then how to write solution set? So according to this, if quotient is minus 2 less than x less than equals to 5. So first of all here, if x belongs to whole number, then according to this, with minus 2 no equality sign is there, and with 5 equality sign is given to you. It means minus 2 will not come and 5 will come. But according to whole numbers are start from 0. So in solution set, our first number is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the solution set according to the whole numbers. Now if x belongs to natural numbers, now natural numbers start from 1. So according to this, our solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if x belongs to integers, and integers also denoted by z also, so according to the integers negative numbers will also come. So here minus 2 will not come because no equality sign is there. So according to this, here first number is minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the solution set when two inequality signs are given to you, and on number line only dots will come on these numbers that we have already discussed. Now these types you have already done. Now one more type, that is real numbers. So listen, real numbers are always denoted by R and Q also. So here, in case of whole numbers, natural numbers and integers, solution set is always in the form of roster form, but in case of real numbers, solution set is always in the form of set builder form. If question is x is greater than 3, then solution set is x such that x is greater than 3 and x belongs to real number. So according to this solution set, our number line is here x is greater than 3 and with greater than no inequality sign is given to you. Here equals to sign is not given. It means on 3 hollow circle will come, and greater than means greater than 3, your number line is dark and arrow is also dark. Now this is the number line x greater than 3. Now suppose if question is x is less than minus 1. So according to this, again here no equality sign is given to you. So on minus 1 here again hollow circle will come, and less than, so less than minus 1 number line should be dark and that arrow also. So according to this, here if in this question equals to sign will given to you, so in place of hollow circle here dark circle will come. In this question also if equality sign is given, so again here dark circle will come. So hollow circle when no equality sign is given to you, dark circle when equality sign is given to you. This real numbers, in real numbers all numbers will come, positive numbers, negative numbers and decimal numbers also in real numbers. So if suppose question is minus 1.2 here, so here we are going to put dot on minus 1.2. Now equality sign is given to you, so here dark circle on minus 1.2 and according to less than number line should be dark with arrow sign. So these are the examples of real numbers, and in case of real numbers if two inequality signs are given in one question, so according to this solution set is x such that minus 2 less than x less than equals to 5 and x belongs to real number. So according to this question here with minus 2 no equality sign is given, it means on minus 2 hollow circle will come, and with 5 equality sign is given, it means dark circle will come on 5 and in between number line should be dark. So this is the number line according to the real numbers. Now some examples related to these types. Now we are going to discuss types related to the numbers. First of all, natural numbers. So according to this type, our question 8 minus x is less than equals to 4x minus 2. So first of all here collect like terms. After collecting our answer is 10 less than equals to 5x. Then after shifting and cutting our answer is x is greater than equals to 2. So according to this x is greater than equals to 2 and x belongs to natural number. So according to natural number here equals to sign is there, it means start from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5 are greater number than 2. So this is the our solution set till so on, and our number line, on number line only dots will come. First on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on also here. So this is the type 1 when x belongs to natural number. Now second type is when x belongs to whole number. So according to this, our question is solve 4x minus 2 less than 2x plus 10 and x belongs to whole numbers. So here first of all collect like terms. After collecting, our answer is 2x less than 12, and then after shifting x less than 12 upon 2, then after cutting from here, our answer is x less than 6 and x belongs to whole numbers. So our solution set is less than 6 till 0 will come. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is our solution set. Now according to this, dots on 0 till 5 will come. So this is the number line according to the solution set. Now come to the type 3. So in this question, here 15 minus 3x is greater than x minus 3 and x belongs to integers, and integers also denoted by z also. So according to this, our first step is collect like terms. So from here 15 plus 3 is greater than 3x plus x. Then after solving here 4.5, then x is less than 4.5 and x belongs to integer. So according to this, decimal number will not come in integers, whole numbers and natural numbers also. So according to this, less than 4.5 numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and negative numbers also till so on. So according to this, our number line, here dots will come on these numbers and till so on. So this is the type 3 when x belongs to integers. Now come to the next type, that is when x belongs to real numbers. So according to this question, 8 plus 3x is greater than equals to 28 minus 2x and x belongs to real numbers. So first of all again collect like terms. After collecting, our answer is 5x greater than equals to 20, and after shifting x is greater than equals to 20 upon 5, then x is greater than equals to 4 and x belongs to real number. Then our solution set is according to real number in the form of set builder form. So therefore from here x such that x is greater than equals to 4 and x belongs to real numbers. So this is the solution set according to this. Then on number line here equality sign is given to you. So on 4 dark circle will come and greater sign is there. It means till greater infinity, here positive infinity, number line should be dark. So this is the number line according to the real number. Now with the help of these examples, you are able to solve questions that will come in your SNAP homework. You are able to solve that worksheets. Now have a nice day and thank you.